Hi, Melissa. This is Carolyn Gill from Vista Higher Learning, and I wanted to quickly show you where to find the exam material and testing content for the Decor 3 program. I am in your SuperSite account, and if I go up to Content and then scroll down or mouse down to Resources, this is where you'll find all of your instructor, all of the ancillaries for the program. We can go ahead and go into a lesson, and we'll see all of our components from answer keys to scripts to audio files to answer keys. There's a nice integrated performance assessment, which are integrated activities which are engaging students' receptive, productive, and interactive skills simultaneously. And then at the bottom of the list, we see all of our formative and summative assessment. You also have an optional testing section, which I believe is for the cultural content as well as the short film in every lesson. But if we go into the test and exam, all of these are Word documents, so they are totally alterable and modifiable. And if you open it up, you can save this on your computer and alter it and then save it. So that is a quick way to pull up the testing. I also wanted to quickly show you, if we go back into activities, you'll see that you can add content. You can add open-ended composition activities. You can add partner chat activities, so you can pose a question and have students respond, have a conversation. It's like a Skype conversation. It's recorded and sent to you. You can also create student recording activities where you are maybe uploading an MP3 file and asking students to respond to it, or posing a question yourself and asking students to respond to it. And then lastly, there is also an opportunity for embedding links from YouTube, where students are watching maybe a 1 or 2 minute clip about something from the Francophone world, and then you are posing questions. Another opportunity for listening is in the forum, where it's basically a student forum. So you can pose a question and students respond, and they respond to your question, and then they have to respond to their classmates' responses. So all of this content is in the SuperSite, and we could talk about it a little bit more next week.